Hey all, just wanted to share a fix that I figured out on my 2013 Gen 5 to SS Camaro. Noticed a rattling, metallic rattling sound in the exhaust, or seemed what was coming from the exhaust for quite some time, and could not figure it out until I found a little error on GM's part in the manufacturing process here that I can show you. So right about behind your cat converters here, turn the light on for you. So right where that bracket is, where your exhaust pipe comes up, right before your cats, on the underside of this, there is a tab. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. It's like a clip. Underneath that clip, it's spot welded a little piece of metal, I think just as a guide for when the pipes line up in the factory, to make sure they're lined up properly before they tighten the clamp. Well, as soon as I took my screwdriver and pried that little clip out away from the pipe, that little alignment rivet, or whatever you want to call it, fell right out. I went to the other side. There's a clip on the other side. You can probably see it from here. And that tab did not fall out. So I think it had already fallen out at some point. So main rattling was probably coming from this driver's side. So you'll also want to make sure that you kind of pry those clips away from the pipe a little bit, so they themselves do not rattle. This is for models that are equipped with the NPP Exhaust on the 2SS Camaros, Gen 5. Hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching.